Hello, my sisters. Welcome back to your sister support. I am so glad you're here. This is your time to take a step towards feeling more confident, magnetic, and empowered than ever before. This isn't about perfecting yourself. I don't promote that. Not at all. This is about remembering who you really are and realizing that you've got all the power you need to create the life you want. No more second guessing, no more holding back. This is about activating that inner strength, that energy that's already in you to help you step into your full potential. No apologies. So take a deep breath, relax. You're in a safe space, and we're gonna dive into this together. So, here what's going to happen. We're going to cut through the noise, clear out any doubts or blocks you might have, and get you focused on what really matters, which is you. I am going to guide you through simple exercises and affirmations that will help you tap into your natural power. You're going to start to feel more comfortable in your own skin, more magnetic in everything you do. This isn't about being perfect or having everything figured out. No, it's about taking small steps towards becoming the person you know you're meant to be. Right now, you've got this, sister. I'm making this video because I want to see you thrive. I want you to feel like you can handle anything that comes your way. The truth is, you already have the strength inside of you. My goal here is to help you unlock that. I've been where you are, doubting, overthinking, second guessing myself, and I know how damn good it feels to break free of that. This video is all about cutting through the BS and giving you the tools to step into your magnetic energy, your real self, your true self. And you don't have to be perfect for this to work. You just need to start believing that you're worthy of everything you want. Now, let's get to work. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. This is your time to let go of anything that's been holding you back. You know those little thoughts like, I'm not good enough or I'm not capable. We're gonna release them. You don't need those thoughts anymore. They don't define you. I want you to picture yourself standing strong and confident, like you've just stepped into a version of you who already knows how amazing she is. She walks into a room and owns it. She knows what she's worth. And I want you to know that you are already becoming her. Right now, I'm going to guide you through a few statements, and I want you to say them to yourself, whisper or say it out loud. Just let them sink in as I speak, okay? I am confident in who I am. I trust myself to make decisions that serve me. I attract what I desire with ease. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I let go of fear and embrace my power. Let those words soak in and know that you don't have to chase anything anymore. You already have it within you. I want you to feel your body right now. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the strength in your posture. Imagine that magnetic energy that I've been talking about. It's right there inside of you, and all you have to do is activate it. You're not waiting for permission anymore. You're not waiting for the perfect moment. Right now, you own your power. Visualize yourself taking one small step towards the life you want, feeling confident, unstoppable, and magnetic as you move forward. It's like the world is opening up for you. You're walking in alignment with who you truly are. The more you embrace this energy, the more everything starts falling into place for you. It's natural. You deserve it. Obviously, you deserve it. Of course, you deserve it. You don't have to push for it. You just have to be it. Now, as you slowly come back to your space, know that this power you've just activated is always with you. You can tap into it whenever you need. You are already magnetic. You are already worthy. And whenever you feel unsure, whenever you feel like you need a little boost, come back to this video. Remember this moment. I am here for you, rooting for you every step of the way. You got your sister, and I've got you, my sister. Keep moving forward.